Tuning a board is different than merely adjusting the trucks independently. It means getting the front and rear trucks to work together in harmony. The C7 is a dual-axis truck, and it has the ability to independently adjust the tension of both the hanger and the arm, or the twist and sway functions. So if you're a lightweight Grom, you can set it super loose for surfskate training, or tighten it up if you're a larger rider. When it comes to tuning the C7, we recommend the following 0-1-2 rule. 0 adjustment at the pivot bolt. Just keep it snug to avoid overcompressing the thrust bearings. This pivot joint needs to rotate freely while not having any vertical play. 1. Very little adjustment at the kingpin nut. Generally, the factory setting is perfect, and if it's set too loose, there is potential for wheel bite. And 2. Your primary mechanism of adjustment comes from the spring adjustment bolt, located at the back of the base plate. Rotating this bolt to the right tightens the internal spring system and increases the tension of the arm, while rotating it to the left loosens the spring tension on the arm. You'll want to make sure there's always sufficient tension on the arm to center on its own. Next, we have the CX, C5, or C2. When it comes to adjusting the single-axis trucks, you can change the tension by tightening or loosening the kingpin nut, located just above the bushing. It's good to start looser and slowly tighten it back until it feels just right. Your front truck should be tuned to feel responsive, yet without any dance or play in the middle. And you should always have at least one thread remaining above the nylock so the nut doesn't disengage during riding. For best practice, kingpin nuts should be replaced periodically to ensure firm engagement with the kingpin threads.